Meteorologist Derek Beasley now, and where is the Hurricane Delta these days?
Oh, well, it just left the Yucatan Peninsula. It weakened a little bit last night and this morning when it made landfall, but now it's out in the middle of the Gulf. And it's going to be intensifying here through tonight and into tomorrow. Winds now up to 90 miles an hour. We saw that with the 8 o'clock advisory, and it looks like those winds are going to continue picking up in tomorrow, possibly getting back to Category 3 status before it heads towards the Louisiana coast, which should occur sometime on Friday afternoon. Now, we do anticipate some weakening before it makes landfall. Looks like late Friday into Friday night. So there you go right there. That's the latest forecast cone showing that there's still a possibility we could see a westward track towards the Texas-Louisiana border, or even as far east as, say, areas around Morgan City, if you will. And that would put New Orleans more in play for some wind and, of course, some rainfall with this system. But right now, our best guess, though, is through south-central Louisiana for potential landfall. The computer models are very tightly clustered here. Very good agreement in this eventual landfall position. Now, what we're going to be watching for is when the actual north to northeast turn is going to occur, because there's a chance this thing could go scoot a little bit further west and then make the turn towards the north, and that would put more of areas near the Texas-Louisiana border in play for a landfall. So re-strengthening expected tonight through Thursday. Gradual weakening, though, as it gets into cooler water and higher wind shear closer to the coast by Friday into Friday night. And, of course, we're going to have all hazards with this system as it moves on through. Now, right now, it's not going to be as strong as Laura was when it made landfall, but we expect the wind field to expand. And as a result of that, damaging winds and surge will become more of a threat for southern Louisiana and parts of southern Mississippi as well. Something we'll be watching very carefully over the next few days. The last thing they need, considering all the storms they've had to deal with throughout the season. Fortunately for us, though, things have been quiet. We had a couple of showers this afternoon. It looks like it's quiet tonight. Skies mostly clear to partly cloudy. Temperatures into the upper 70s to around 80, and it looks like a humid start to your day tomorrow. Mid-70s under partly cloudy skies, and a mixture of cloud and sunshine for tomorrow afternoon with highs topping out near 90 degrees. But it looks like we should be mostly rain-free tomorrow as we continue to watch high pressure aloft that is helping to steer Delta away from our area. But what it's also doing is helping to suppress the storm chances across our region. I do think that'll be the case for tomorrow, but we will start to see the chances for rain pick back up a little bit for your Friday afternoon as we start to get some of this influence from this, what we call a Tutlow, a little tropical area of low pressure in the upper atmosphere that's going to be heading off towards the west. We'll get some moisture from that, and that will help kick up the rain chances a bit here on Friday afternoon. And then more of a southwesterly flow heading into the weekend as the remnants of Delta start to pass just off to our north. So tomorrow afternoon's forecast, partly cloudy. Could see a couple of showers pop up, but right now we're going to go with mainly rain-free forecast for tomorrow. And then Friday, a chance for an afternoon shower or storm. Temperatures on Friday once again near 90 degrees. So a few clouds overnight tonight. Humid, 76 your overnight low. Tomorrow, 91. Staying dry. East-southeast winds 5 to 10. That looks at your Ingman Marine forecast. Seas running 2 to 3 feet with a southeast wind 5 to 10 knots. Inland waters a moderate chop. 7-day forecast. Partly cloudy tomorrow. A few scattered storms on Friday in the afternoon and evening, and then a southwesterly flow into the weekend with scattered storms late morning into the afternoon. Next week, cold front arise could bring some lower humidity as early as Tuesday.
Positive.